And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I haven't recorded anyone can be a star on YouTube in a while because I hadn't had anything really important to say to people just like starting out being YouTube creators. Or maybe some who've been here for a while and still have some weird things going on in their life. Sorry, other computer was misbehaving. I had to. The subject of this video, advertising. I know some of you out there have been thinking, how can I get some of that advertising money? Then you check on the monetization policy and I don't have 1,000 subscribers. I don't have 4,000 hours of playtime. You know? Although lately I hear rumors that YouTube is putting commercials anywhere they can sell commercial time. That means even if they don't think you're monetizable, if you got a long enough video, ads. Of course, you don't get any of it because you're not monetizable. But then again, YouTube makes a little bit of money because they can put an ad on your video. That's called longevity. Yeah. If the tube is making bucks off of your work, that's a good thing. They'll want to keep you around. And if you want to advertise, there are many ways you can go about it. Talk to your suppliers, send them a nice little email. Please support my struggling YouTube channel. And you tell them, hey, I'll be a internet sales associate. You send me stuff I demonstrated on my YouTube channel. I know of 5 that I know of on YouTube. That's what they do. Yeah. And then there's, and then of course, when you buy stuff from your suppliers, you make sure and tell all your viewers, look at what I just bought from, in my case, the last purchase I made came from Shearline Products in Vista, California. Very happy with Shearline, even though I say nasty things about. Actually, I'm very happy with their equipment. And I was extremely happy with my brand new milling table assembly. So nice, flat, and smooth. If you've watched my videos, you've seen what I've done to the mill table that came brand new with the machine. Or actually the XY base. Yeah, anyway. So, anyway, you tell your viewers, hey, I just bought this from Mazursky International, Missoula, Montana. Isn't it beautiful? I made up that. If there is a Mazursky manufacturing in Missoula, whoa. Anyway, he said, isn't it beautiful? You start getting buzz going that you say good things about people's stuff, and especially send them a link. Send the company a link of your video, email it to them, and say, watch this. Eventually, either the company's going to say, stop talking about us, or can we give you a little discount? Would you like to demonstrate some stuff for us? Yeah, So think about it. Think about it really seriously. You can get in the advertising game with the manufacturers. You become an associate. You put a link in the description on the video, or links for if there's multiple items. And Micromark, or Shearline, or Shars, or whoever you're saying good things about and putting the links to catalog number, right? Catalog page. If you want to buy it, go over here. Boom. Tell your viewers when they purchase from these people to say, whoever your channel name is, sent me. In my case, it's going to be Poppy's Workshop sent me, told me to buy this. Yeah, I'm going to be starting doing that. Another way that one of these companies could help you is returns. You know, people buy stuff from companies and they screw it up and send it back for a refund. Well, you know, your tool company, they can't sell it, so they write it off. Tell them, hey, you know, you can't sell it, you write it off. Can you send it to me for the cost of the shipping? I will play with it on my YouTube channel. And I will lovingly, you know, I'll get it to work when that fool couldn't. Or I'll show the world what he did to it. Does he really want a refund? Look what he did to He drilled a hole right through, you know, that kind of thing. Then, of course, there's the simple discount. Hey, man, I'm going to talk good about you on my YouTube channel, and I better start seeing some discounts, you know? The advertisers understand that one perfectly. And plus, it simplifies bookkeeping for both them and you. Or is that you? And anyway, because if advertiser doesn't send you money, all right, if all they're doing is giving you a discount, think about it. They write that discount off. They put it under public relations, low budget advertising. You know? They might even get on us and say, oh, this guy been buying stuff from us for 20 years. Then he got a YouTube channel. We say, oh, hell, why not? So, that's for you creators out there. Now, YouTube, Google, listen up, you guys. I want you to put commercials, ads at the front of my videos. 2 non-click-throughs, just they have to watch those 2 commercials in my video. You don't have to send me money. Just remember, you're making a little bit of money off me. Yeah. For the rest of you creators, you tell YouTube that too. Anyway, back to you, YouTube. I've been making 45-minute to 1-hour shop videos, so there's plenty of video time to put a couple of pre-rolls, maybe one midstream commercial, okay? And, oh, YouTube. I presume you're letting these advertisers put their link in. Their servers are screwing up the YouTube viewer experience. Have the advertisers send the ads to you. You put them on your servers and you put the links where you want them so that third parties aren't screwing up the experience for the viewers. Remember, we're the product that you're selling to the advertisers. Our viewership is the cheese. Well, the mice doesn't come to the cheese if it smells like dog doo. And I know I myself personally, advertising that makes me mad, those people don't see my money. You denigrate my intelligence by making a stupid commercial, don't look for my money. Cute's one thing. Stupid, insulting the intelligence of the viewer, the source of the money. Yeah, the cheese. So that's the word for the advertisers. Don't insult the viewer. Yeah, don't insult the viewer. Now, good night from California.